So part 5 is prove the results. I think the best business to do other than opening a church is being a politician. Because it doesn't matter if you deliver your promises. No one ever asks you to prove the results. Whether you provide, or whether you work and achieve the results, whether you don't, you still get your pay. Your pay is not fixed on a set of deliverables that you had agreed upon. But I wish politics could be done like business. That a politician is only paid if they prove the results. Now, you are here, you have done your work for 2 months. So it means every day, every 2 days, every 3 days, every week, every month, you must do what? Track what you're doing. And the best way is to compare. That's why we have the before and after. I think even that is a cool way of selling. Like ukitaka kuuza cosmetics, you have to show before face and after. Kama unanyoa nywele, naonyesha the shabby man before and the clean guy after. So basically, even you proving the result means you have to track. That initially, let's say you're working for that ad creative guy, agency person, who has so many leads, but very few conversions. So you'll be able to track and show him, oh, initially you had only 200 and you're only converting, let's say 10. So using percentages, this is only 5%. But now we have increased our leads to 100 and we are able to convert 250. So we've moved from your 1% to 25%. Then you know how much every lead brings in. So you're able also to know if we were getting 10 customers bringing in a profit of 1,000, now we have 250 bringing in, also this would be 10,000, sorry. So we have 250 bringing in 250,000. So in terms of revenue, you have just increased the company's revenue from 10,000, or rather profit from 10,000 to 250. So this table is for proving that I realized the problem, I diagnosed the problem, and I solved the problem, and this is my proof. Proving also might require testimonials. That's why when people, maybe even us, when we start doing this job, we'll be doing it first for content and also second for proof. You show in one incident when you interviewed a customer who worked in the showroom. And the customer is saying, hapa unakaa 20 minutes kabla uongeleshwe. Hata wakikuongelesha ni kama hawana haja na wewe. Then after you've come, you've changed systems, you've trained the salespeople, etc. You show another video, a new customer has come. Behind him, there is a beehive of activities to show again how busy the shop is. And this customer saying, hey, I wish ningejua hii mahali before. Kwa sababu, nimekuja within 5 minutes, someone has taken me through everything. Amenipatia prices, amenipatia benefits. Na leo, hata ndio hii receipt yangu. Nimespend 50,000 kwa hizi vitu. So, you have content, you have proof. So, Prove, you can think of it in many different ways. But basically, it's that you measured the pain, you made the offer with the promises, you defined the deliverables, because even the time, like ulisema, I'll do this within 1 month. Make sure you've delivered it within that 1 month, because that will be part of your proof that you're capable. And I think that is the reason why we hate mafundi wa nguo. So watakwambia kujia hii nguo kesho. Lakini ukifika kesho kujia kesho. You know, fundi wa viatu, maybe he knows he's going to a wedding on Saturday and he wants to wear your shoes. So meaning that you, because you're professional, we've moved from being called hustlers, you're able to prove what you're delivering.